1995, NVIDIA didn't just launch another GPU. They redefined what real-time performance means. RTX 5080 glowing with DLSS 4. With DLSS 4, powered by a next-gen AI Tensor core, the GeForce RTX 5080 turns every pixel into pure perfection, scaling frame rates beyond imagination. Ultra-realistic 5K visuals, 360 FPS. It's a counter-flashing. From 360 FPS on high-speed esports deck to smooth 90 FPS cinematic gameplay on 5K and 4K displays. This GPU bends reality with AI-driven frame generation. Grain, transition, neural matrix animation forming pixels. Each frame isn't just rendered, it's predicted, enhanced, and optimized using deep learning. Player launching GeForce experience. To install and activate your RTX 5080 experience, download the latest GeForce Experience app, update your DLSS 4 driver, enable frame generation, and select your display mode, 4K, 5K, or streaming deck. Futuristic GPU core glowing in green. It's neural-powered performance. Welcome to the RTX 5080 era.